How to import Excel file into Airtable. In this video, I'll show you how to import Excel file into Airtable. So to get started, go ahead and open Airtable and head over into the workspace where you want to import an Excel file. And then from here, you'll find this Add or Import button. Click on it and then select Microsoft Excel under it. So you'll find that under the Add from Other Sources. So make sure to select Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, you can upload the Microsoft Excel file from your local files, from a link URL, from your Google Drive, OneDrive, Box, and Dropbox. So I'll simply upload mine through my local files. So click on that Excel file and then click on Open, and then here, go ahead and click on this Upload One File button to upload this Excel file to your workspace. And then go ahead and select where do you want to place this imported file, and then click on Next, and then click on Import to confirm importing this table to your workspace. And that is how you can basically import Excel file into Airtable. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.